DITT is a system solution supplier deeply involved in rail transportation. Well, this train chassis inspection robot is a really core product of our company. These robots can collaborate very efficiently among themselves, and they can also be flexibly applied in large sections of inspection scenarios. The interaction is good, and the interface calling is convenient, while the wireless teaching makes the operation easy. The 6 joints are flexible, which can adapt to narrow train spaces with many collision bodies. The robot is stable and is excellent for complex scenes. That is quite outstanding. In short, it is stable, mature, easy to interact with, and also easy for personnel to operate. Moreover, the dragging is super smooth, and it can be pulled into place easily with just a light tug. JAKA is highly professional. They respond quickly in order to solve problems, and they can also handle the on-site situation very responsibly.